can also see AI being used. So, for example, one of the key, element of the energy transition, we are trying to move away from coal, gas, and then hopefully to renewables in the future. But we know one of the major issues around renewable energy is that renewable energy is intermittent. So obviously you cannot, basically, kind of like wind or solar, is only, sunshine is only available for a certain amount of time. It's only when it's windy, or it's only when it's, shining. So you don't have it 24 hours a day. So if you can try to use AI to predict what is your energy supply and what is your energy demand, so you can match, for example, your electricity grid, try to match the supply and demand. If you can, reduce the gap between your forecast of supply and demand, that will help address some of the intermittency problems we have with renewables.